Hello, here to try this Hillshire Farms Beef Little Smokies. Here's the packaging right here. And here's what they look like after they're prepared. Little sausage buddies. I'll grab one for you. Right here. We did a Kinder's mild barbecue sauce. Tastes exactly like a beef hot dog.
Yep, nice barbecue on it, just whatever you like as flavors.
Mm-hmm.
It picks it up real good.
Yeah. Exactly like a beef hot dog, except for smaller. Mm. Yeah, these are pretty tasty. Or I could see these being utilized in a lot of ways. Even like rolling them up in a croissant dough.
Oh yeah, I want to do that.
And do a little pigs in blankets situation.
That'd be really good.
I'll look and see if I can find a link to the brand or something. I'll put it below. Let me know if you've ever tried Hillshire Farms Beef Little Smokies. And if you haven't, do you typically like this type of item? Let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, I would give these a 4 out of 5. What about you?
Yeah.
4 out of 5. Oh, and what's the nutrition facts? 200 calories per serving. It says about 5 or 6 per serving. So
sorry.
Not too bad. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.